This is breakfast Ackle style on the occasion of my 65th birthday. So gone continental here. So got melon, salami, chorizo sausage, which is Spanish sausage. Of course, cashew blue cheese. You have to have that. Some pickles and some olives. And thanks to a colleague of mine, Christabel, who we worked together on the grandparents projects. She recommended Graham Norton's sparkling Prosecco. And I wish the sun was shining a little bit better for this, but anyway, here goes. If we were to wait for good weather, we would never have the chance to drink Prosecco. So here we go. So let's just try a bit of food first. Lovely. Cheers. Oh, Christabel, you were right. That was lovely. It's not too sharp. You know, sometimes you get Proseccos that are quite sharp, but very refreshing. And with food like this is light, more continental style, it seems to suit it as well. It's like finger food, no need for fork. And some melon, of course, really goes well with the various meats.